Hey, I've been asked to share what I've done with a couple of my pages using expanders. I have, in music, I have a lot of topics that if I were to put all of it in its own page, there would be a bazillion pages. But there's too much to put on one page, just naturally, um, because it would be a really long page. So in order to kind of temper that a little bit, I've actually put in these expanders where if you click, it expands each one of those. So these are expanders where it allows you to expand all of them um, at the same time. There is a feature called an accordion that is very similar, but it only allows you to open one of these at a time. So if you don't want your page to go really long, you could actually make it be an accordion where it will just put make one of them be open. You can use this. I've actually used this in a practice for my Spanish class where I'm having them look through a vocabulary set, and I've got the audio right here, but I've got pictures to represent each of the vocabulary words that they're practicing. They're coming up with the words, trying to decide which of the vocab words correlates with which thing, and then they're clicking here to check their answers to see, did I get it right? Did I not? You can, and I'm going to show you how you can actually use AI to write this code. Let's say I want to have pink headers instead of um, the regular black. So right here, that's my code for one of them. I'm going to copy that code and I'm going to come to ChatGPT, and I've actually done it, but let's actually say blue. How can I make the expander header be blue? Paste my code, hit enter, and it will give you code that you can copy. And I mean, I know this is fairly easily accomplished in Canvas itself. However, if you wanted the code to make an accordion instead of an expander, you could ask it, how can I make this code be an accordion instead of an expander, or vice versa, or whatnot. So then I would just copy this and come back here to right here, and I would paste and go back and look at it, and it is now blue, where all of the rest of them are still black. So you can um, adjust this to however you would like to have. I'm not going to keep that blue, but um, you can adjust that however you would like. You can put pictures in there like I showed in my Spanish class. You can actually, I think on the next page, I've got them in, I've got audio in each one where they are practicing saying sentences. Um, and I just have each expander, the content of it is an audio file in there, but it helps. It can help quite a bit. You can, and I have seen it where you put expanders within expanders. So you could technically have one Canvas page for each day and have your learn, practice, demonstrate all on one page with links to assignments or quizzes or whatnot linked onto that one page. Um, it and there's many features that you could put in there, but I mean, if you can describe it well enough to ChatGPT, it will give you the code, and then you can just alter that as you go. What if I wanted it yellow instead of blue, or pink, or red, or whatever? You know, alter whatever you're doing. It can you can make it um, work for your benefit using AI to do your Canvas pages and edit them and get them to polish them to look like you want them to. Good luck.